At a scrap recycling facility in China, a worker was involved in a serious workplace incident while operating near an automated scrap compactor. During normal operations, the worker noticed an issue inside the compactor chamber and entered the equipment area to reposition material. The compactor continued operating in automatic mode while the worker was inside. As the machine cycle progressed, the compacting mechanism descended and made contact with the worker. The incident was recorded by on-site surveillance systems and prompted a review of operational controls and safety procedures. Automated machinery must always be fully shut down, isolated and verified through lockout procedures before any inspection or manual adjustment is performed. Workers should never enter equipment chambers while systems remain energized or capable of cycling automatically. Clearly defined lockout and verification steps, physical barriers, and interlocks are critical to prevent unintended machine movement. On an industrial site, a crane was lifting a heavy load using wire slings during routine operations. As the load was raised and moved overhead, it passed above the position of 2 workers standing below. At that moment, the lifting wires failed and snapped unexpectedly. The load fell and made contact with them. Overhead lifting operations must strictly prohibit personnel from standing beneath suspended loads. Lifting wires, slings, and attachments must be inspected regularly and rated for the intended load. Establishing clearly marked exclusion zones, enforcing safe positioning, and following approved lift plans are essential controls. In an industrial facility in China, a worker was assisting with the movement of a heavy load using a forklift. As the forklift carried a large, heavy load, the load began to shift. In an attempt to prevent it from falling, the worker moved close to the load. The load dislodged from the forks and made contact with the worker. The individual was reported injured during the incident and received medical attention. When handling heavy loads with powered industrial trucks such as forklifts, workers must maintain a safe distance from suspended loads and avoid positioning themselves between the load and the machine. Loads should be properly secured, centered, and stable before movement begins.